What's poppin', people? It's your boy Gany. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I've got a little footage of me going to some charity shops, mainly focusing on finding secondhand books and reselling it on Amazon. And yes, guys, it is possible to resell secondhand books. I'm gonna run some of the footage of me going to. I went to two charity shops today, Bernard's and another charity shop which I don't know the name of. I don't think they have a name. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the footage, and then after footage I'm gonna run down all the books I bought. I bought a total of 6 books from Bernardo's, and yeah, I'll catch you guys at the end of the footage.
So currently I've actually found a book that we can sell on our Amazon. Let me show you Fatima from the beginning. I checked this on Amazon and there's currently no FBA sellers selling this. The lowest one was I think £10, 27p or something like that, but there'll be a screenshot right here anyway. So yeah, so book number 1 is in. 2 and then 3. This one I'm still contemplating about because there's no rank on this one, so it's a main one. It's a funny book. I'm a big Pokemon fan, but listen, one thing, I was never able to get into Pokemon Go, man. It's not the same. I have to walk to play it now. I'm good. So these are all the books I picked up. I'm gonna look for a couple more books. If I can find them, I'll find them. If not, no. Yeah, that's one. That's one. Just fucking down there. If you know about football, this guy top baller.
Out of the two charity shops, Bernardo's did me justice today. I picked up in total 6 secondhand books I was able to resell on my Amazon and make some profit on. The second charity shop, they did have some books, but not really books that was going to make me profit in the long run. Some of the books were just about break even, and you know, we're not trying to break even, we're trying to make some profit. End of the day, run down through all the books we bought at Bernardo's, and yeah, show you all how much I picked up for and how much I'm planning to sell on Amazon. So book number 1 is sustainability education book. The lion is not doing me justice right now. There you go. I picked this book up for £3, and on Amazon it's currently selling for £17.49p, which is a very nice flip as well. So that's book number 1. So book number 2 is Home Truths. I picked this book up for £2 and it's reselling on Amazon for £9.16. Nice little flip again. Book number 3, London Live. This book is selling currently on Amazon for £14 and I picked up for £2. I will also have a tally right here showing you all the profit of all the books, and at the end of the books it will show you the total profit I made on all of 6 of those books. It will be here or there, any of them. Book number 4, it's The Science of Dreaming and the Origin of Religion. This book I picked it up for £2 as well, and it's selling on Amazon for £17.80. Fatima from the Beginning, I picked this up for £1 and on Amazon it's currently selling for £10.90. And We Are the Weather, picked this up for £2 as well. On Amazon it's currently selling for £10.21. So all 6 of these books, all the tally will be here, but it should be around £40 to £50 profit I'm making on all of these books, which is not bad, you know, for literally less than an hour work at a charity charity shop. I would have said 2 charities, but I didn't get any books for any other shop. But yeah, it's not bad. £50. End of the day, it's still some money coming in, and you know, we could just reinvest that into more books. But yeah, these are all the books I bought at Bernardo's. Literally, this book business is crazy. It just shows you like you can make money from anything, literally. But yeah, if you all have any questions, do leave them down in a comment. If you did like this video, hit the thumbs up, as this would help me very much and also be very good for the YouTube algorithm. But yeah, I appreciate you guys all for watching. It's been your boy Gani and I'm out.